everybody has been waiting for a Kandi Miku tutorial, and I will provide. I'll do it. Alright, so you're going to want to start out with a ring of 16 peach beads. Miku is watching. Sorry there's no flash in this video, but take a light pink bead and go into your second to next bead. Now do that same thing 2 more times with 2 more peach beads. Then you're going to need to add on another pink bead, then go all the rest of the way around in peach beads again. Once you've gone all the way around, go up through the pink bead and add on a black bead. Then put on another peach bead and then another black bead. Then pull it tight, add on another peach bead, and then 3 blue beads. Then add on 1 more peach bead and go up through your pink and your black. I know mine's kind of a mess, but add on another peach bead here between these 2 and then a blue bead between these 2. I know that mine's a mess, but add on another peach bead and then 4 blue beads. But put on another peach bead and then go up through your black and peach bead right there. Now add on a blue bead and then a peach bead, the peach bead being on top of this eye right here. Then 5 more blues and then a peach. Then go through your peach and your blue and do a whole way around of just blue. Now do 1 more ring of blue and then tie it, but do not cut it. Once you've tied that off, go through all of the top beads 1 more time all the way around with just your string. Pull it tight and then tie it so that the head has that more rounded shape at the top. Now cut it. Now take your string and go all the way through the highest beads at the bottom and do the same thing that you did on the top so that it's rounded on the bottom too. What the absolute heck? Get out! Alright, now that that guy's gone, we're gonna start on the body. Alright, so for the body, start with a ring, or more like a square, of 8 blue beads. Now string on a black and go through the next one over all the way around. This is gonna look really weird for a little while, but go back up through your black and do another ring of blacks. Now do 2 rows of gray beads. Now put on a blue bead and then 3 more gray beads. Don't talk about how I have to be holding this, but do another row or ring of gray beads. Now add another ring of 3 more gray beads and then 1 more blue bead right here. Now do 1 more ring of gray beads and tie it off. Correction, do 1 more ring of 3 grays and 1 blue. I didn't even do that right while I was doing it. I had to tie on another row, but whatever. Also, look at the improvement in that body. I did not do good here. Now we need to connect Miku's head to her body. Go through this bead right here. Then on your body, go through this bead and then go through this bead. Now just continue that pattern of going through this bead, then this bead, all the way around. I really don't know how to explain that well, or how to explain it at all, but this is how I find it the easiest. Go through these like this, and then go through this one and this one, then this one, then this one, and this one, and then tie them. I really hope that that makes at least the tiniest bit of sense, but Now Miku is attached to her body. Now we need to make her ponytails. So get a decently sized piece of string. This is how big my pieces of string are compared to Miku. Get 2 of them. Then take your piece of string and on this bead, go through it with your string. Make it so that they line up, and on both of the pieces of string, put a magenta dark pink bead. Then 1 on each side of your string, do blue, and then do 1 blue, and then 2. Hopefully that makes sense. Like that, kind of like you're doing a peyote stitch cuff. I don't exactly know how to explain this, but do it until there are 7 groups of 2. Pull it tight so that it looks like this, and then tie the 2 ends together. Ta-da! Now do that on this bead as well. Now we are going to do Miku's arms. The reason that their torsos look a little different is because I did this one correctly and did this one wrong, and it's also very floppy, so they're gonna be a little different. But anyways, do the same way that you went through for the pigtails. Go through this bead with your string. Now string on a peach bead and 2 black beads onto both sides of the string. Then put on a peach bead on one side of the string and tie the 2 sides of the string together. Cut your excess off and do the same thing through this bead right here. Now for the legs, go through this bead with a piece of string, then string on 1 peach bead and 3 black beads onto both sides of the string. Then put 1 blue bead onto one side of the string and tie the 2 sides together. Do the same thing through this bead. Now, ta-da, you now have your very own Kandi Miku and you don't need to eat mine. I really enjoyed just how much improvement there is between the 2. I don't know, I just think that's cool to be able to see. But yeah, now you have your very own Kandi Miku, and I hope that this tutorial helped all of you hungry people be able to make your own. So thank you for watching this. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.